This is an add-on for the private Docker image screencast. I'll mainly show you how to generate the authentication string when using Google Artifact Registry. Make sure to watch the main screencast before following this one. From the Google Cloud Console, go to Artifact Registry page. Then pick a Docker image. Select Show Pull Command option and copy the full address along the image name. That get back to your Gitpod workspace and use it as the image on your Gitpod YAML. Now it's time to generate the authentication string. So as before, the command is echo followed by our container registry address colon, then add another echo command to produce a base64 encoded username and password string. We need to use underscore JSON base64 key as the username. Add a colon, then comes the password. I'll link a page from the GCP docs if you're curious about the source of this special username. For the password, we need a base64 encoded service account key from GCP. So let's go back there to create it. From the service account space, create a new account. Give it any name you like. Only artifact registry reader is needed for the role. You may also configure the IAM conditions, but I will leave it for this one. After creating the service account, we need a key for it. So open Cloud Shell to create and process a key there. Now we can run such a command to create a key. For the IAM account argument, use the service account email. Now simply press enter. So it's saved as key.json, but we need the base64 encoded string of this file. Run base64-w0 followed by the file name. Now copy the output of the command. Make sure to pay extra attention while selecting the output. With that, come back to your workspace and paste the encoded string after the colon. It will work as the password. Now we finally pass it to base64 to encode our username and password. And for convenience, we can add an extra echo command at the end so that it prints a new line to our visible shell output. This will help while copying the output. After executing the command, we'll get such an output. The registry address marked in blue, also the base64 encoded username and password marked in yellow. So as before, you can copy this output string and save it as a variable in your project settings.